All right, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just kidding, it's class. All right, so what you see on your screen right now is this is your GRASP. So I'm introducing your GRASP project. So I'm going to show you your GRASP, then I'm going to show you your Scholar PowerPoint that you need to create. I'm going to show you just a few slides, and then I just want you to see the overall example. Then I'm going to show you a Scholar Journal example, and this is what you are actually going to be creating over the next 2 weeks. All right, so the goal is to inform the new alien species about earthly things, why their planet is dying, and we need to save them. So they need to know about earthly things, plant and animal cells. Your role is that you just left your job at NASA and you are now promoted to Area 51. Aliens. And you have been assigned a secret mission. Your audience, aliens. Actually, it's your parents, but we're going to call them aliens. The situation is that you are a scientist who must teach the aliens, your parents, about our plant and animal cells. Cells. Sorry, that was very Texan of me. You are a scientist who must teach the aliens about our plant and animal cells. It is crucial that they get this information because it is up to us to save their dying planet, which we can call the dying planet their brains. All right, so the product, let me hide me for a second, is that you are going to create a non-linear presentation about a plant or animal cell. You're going to research both, and then you are going to create a product, so a presentation over a plant or an animal cell. The standards are your typical NYP rubric that you will have posted, and you're going to go over criterion A, B, C, and D. All right, I'm back. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Scholar example. This example is from like 2015. It's a few years old, and it's actually from a scholar that does not go here, but I just wanted you to see what your product is going to look like. So the reason why I had you guys drawing in Microsoft Paint is because I wanted you to be able to draw, if you could see, this is an animal cell, and I want you to draw one a lot like this. Use your creativity, of course, and make sure that, too, when you draw it, that you are not labeling it because you are going to label your cell in PowerPoint. Also, I'm going to just be checking to see if your hyperlinks work. So if you could see, the Scholar actually hyperlinked the text, which totally works. So I'm going to check out the nucleus. Then what they did is they wrote the structure and the function of each cell, and that's what I'm going to require of all of you. They also use their sources, so if you can see on my screen, it's like at the very, very bottom right here. You can't really see it, but they put their source at the bottom because you must list your sources. So this is what your nucleus slide is going to look like. You can also put a picture on your nucleus slide if you need. So I'm going to click here and see how it disappeared. That means you already clicked it. Cool, huh? Now let's look at the cytoplasm. So see, same thing, structure, function, definition, all of that. It's clean, it's crisp. This is what it's going to look like. And see how they are hyperlinked? And we are back to the home page. So now I'm just going to kind of click through the PowerPoint. You're going to have a slide for every label, and it must be organized. So if you can see, I'm just clicking. I also click through the whole PowerPoint, and I'm going to check your hyperlinks as well. Now, I also include a summary. Do you see how the Scholar wrote a summary? It is at least a paragraph, and that's what I want from all of you. There must be a summary at the end. So you have to teach your alien buddies how to understand the cell and what it's actually all about. So that is the end of the PowerPoint. Now I'm going to show you an exemplar journal. So what you are going to be looking at is I want you to use your exemplar journal, but I'm not going to show you a journal from this project because I know you would just pause it and copy the answers. So I'm going to show you one from your future project. So this is the exemplar work journal. I'm going to show you the journal entry. So I want all of your journal entries to have, like, you know, so this is an older project, so this isn't the same project, but this is what I want you to do. See, like, you have your step 1 with what topic you're going to investigate, and they talk about that. It's filled out. It is nice and neat. And then their plan A, you know, they include a timeline, which looks great. Then they actually write out the plan. Unlike these, I'm going to require you to actually have a picture of your work in this. Because this is a different project, it does look a little different, but this is what your design journal is going to look like. And then when I grade it, actually, you're going to see where I grade right here. But every single day you're going to fill this out, but not the first day because I didn't post it. But the main thing I want you to do is master the grasp, and then you're going to answer step 1 today, which is inquire and analyze, which is criterion A of your project. So I actually do have your cell design journal. So if I scroll all the way up, it's actually really big, but I'm just posting the